Hi friends, I am Ashraf Ali and today we will discuss about space after a period in a Latex software. Friends, most welcome to MATLAB Latex software channel and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks. Space after a period backslash small bracket space and backslash at. Mark a punctuation character, typically a period, as either in the ending a sentence or as ending an abbreviation. By default, in justifying a line, Latex adjusts the space after a sentence ending period. Small bracket start or a question mark, exclamation point, comma or colon. More than the space between words. Latex assumes that the period ends a sentence unless it is preceded by a capital letter, in which case it takes that period for part of an abbreviation if a sentence ending period is immediately followed by a right parenthesis or bracket or right single or double quote. Then the intersentence space follows that parenthesis or quote. If you have a period ending an abbreviation whose last letter is not a capital letter and that abbreviation is not the last word in the sentence, then follow that period with the backslash space of small bracket start backslash small bracket end or a tie. Examples are a dot backslash b dot backslash cc and Mr. dot answer. In the opposite situation, if you have a capital letter followed by a period that ends the sentence, then put backslash at on the left of that period. In contrast, putting backslash at on the right of a period tells text that the period does not end the sentence. In the example, reverse words are different. Text will put interword space after the closing parenthesis small bracket start. Note that backslash at is before the parenthesis. Friends, thanks for listening me and don't forget to subscribe my channel and please share this video for your friends. Thanks.